Today, we're diving into V0 by Vercel, an AI-powered website builder that promises to simplify the web development process. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out if it's worth your time and investment. V0 by Vercel positions itself as an intuitive AI website builder designed for both developers and non-developers. The core functionality revolves around its ability to generate responsive websites quickly using AI to assist in the design and content creation process. Upon first glance, the user interface feels clean and user-friendly, which is a big plus for newcomers. The integration with Vercel's deployment features means that once you build your site, you can publish it with just a click. However, while the promise of rapid website creation is appealing, I notice some areas that could use improvement. The AI-generated content can sometimes feel generic, lacking the personal touch that many brands seek. Also, the customization options, while present, can feel somewhat limited for more experienced developers looking to fine-tune their sites. Overall, it's a solid tool for quick projects, but it may not fully satisfy those needing extensive customization. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, V0 offers a straightforward setup process, making it accessible for beginners. The integration with Vercel's hosting is seamless, which is great for those who want to get their sites online fast. On the downside, the AI-generated content can be hit or miss, and some users may find it lacks the depth they desire. Additionally, the limited customization options might frustrate advanced users who want more control over their designs. There's also a question of pricing. While it's competitive, those on a tight budget may want to explore alternatives that offer more features for less. In short, V0 is a great fit for quick, simple projects, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. In conclusion, V0 by Vercel is worth considering if you need a fast and easy way to build a website without much hassle. However, if you're an experienced developer or someone looking for extensive customization, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a solid tool, but it has its limitations.